this is just a quick overview for a Daikin newer model indoor fan motor. So it's first time for me to take this fan motor out and in, and it's a bit different than the older model. So what I did, I already took the cover off and electrical panel off as well. Now I'm going to remove the fan motor. So it's going to be so much easier when you are up on the ladder. If you can set up your ladder to the right hand side of the unit, then it will be so much easier for you to work it. So what it has one screw. I'm going to take this screw off. So this one is loose now, it's just sitting, and this will give us a bit of flexibility for the coil. And now our fan motor has these two clips. So what we need to do, hold them together, push it down and out. That give access to the fan motor. And this motor has sort of like a hook here, that wiring going around. So we need to bring the wiring out and then pull the fan motor. The fan motor is out. So putting it together, it has this wiring part, and over there it has sort of its housing. So it should sit like this. If you are sitting on a right angle, it's will go easily, otherwise you're going to struggle. So what we're going to do, we're trying to be on the right correct angle and push it in. And while you're doing, you need to make sure the so now it's in place. Next step is this wiring around. Once this wiring is around that hook, you can put this clip on place, and this outer cover, it has two of these clips on the top, two at the bottom, and the cover for the wiring. If you're going to put it back, so what we're going to trying to do, if these hooks or clips, whatever you want to call, are the sitting to here, then the top clips we can just push it in. So now the bottom one is in place, the top clips we can just push them in. So that's pretty much your fan motor in, and now you can put the top screw in place, and that's your fan motor done. So that's it. Now we can put the electrical panel and cover back on. Easy.